let's see how to convert inches into centimeters in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, by default, Microsoft Word has its measurements set in centimeters. And what that means is that whenever you try to change the measurement of something, such as indents or margins or even the paper size, you'll see that they're all in centimeters. Now let's say that you're more comfortable with using inches and you want your default to be changed into inches. What you can do is head on over to the File tab. Now click on Options, and right here, click on Advanced, and simply scroll down until you're on Display. And right here, you have the option to change your units of measurement right here. Now, show measurements in units of either centimeters, inches, millimeters, points, or other forms. And let's just simply change that into inches. And you'll see that our margins and our paper sizes, as well as our indentations, are all now in inches. Now to change it back into centimeters, just do the same thing all over again. Head on to Options. Now click on Advanced and scroll down to display. Now change this back to centimeters. And there you go. And that is how you convert inches to centimeters in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.